What's up guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Danny. You're watching the BMW M4 Rebuild Part 2. I bought one of the cheapest BMW M4s in the United States for a fraction of the price. So we got some parts in the mail. We're gonna try getting those on today. And we have some other stuff to get done with, like we do need to take off the bumper, but here's one of the parts we're gonna be installing today. This is the iDrive system for the iDrive because the old one has been taken out and we needed to check the oil, electronic oil reader. But anyways, we also have to take off the bumper so we can go take it to the body shop where it's gonna be painted, looking brand new. Fender is coming in soon, so we'll be able to fit up the fender. Control arms are almost in, so we're gonna be able to start actually getting the suspension work done. Oh, that sun is kind of bad. And yeah, we have a lot to get done in this video, so we'll go right into it and get the time lapse going. While we're at it, we do have a second project actually. Well, I mean, it's not a second project. It was my old project, but probably gonna be taking off the downpipe, doing some work onto it for a small little that. The whole exhaust is basically off, but basically we have two projects. It's my brother right here. This one, the BMW M4, and the Audi A4. RS4. So, and then we also RS4. So I need to get this guy replaced. And it's basically in here inside the dash. So we will start on taking apart the dash and fitting that new iDrive system so the screen can work. That'll be the first thing that we're gonna start doing. This plastic piece is only held in by a couple clips, so you just pry on it and it comes right out. Then we move on to the climate control unit. It's only held in by 4 T20 bolts. You just unscrew them and unplug the connections in the back. So finally got it off, just a couple trim pieces, this guy, and now as you can see this one's missing. That's where that is supposed to go, so we're gonna put that in there and see if the screen lights up. After that we move on to the iDrive system. There's a couple connections in the back that you just plug in and then it slides into position. So we're putting it back together now. Once the iDrive module is in, it's only held in by 2 T20 bolts. The screen above it is also held in by 2 T20 bolts. After that, the climate control module just pops right in and it's held in by 4 T20 bolts. After that, there's a little cover that pops right underneath the climate control module, and then the vents just clip right back in. Anyways, this is what's going on with this exhaust. Fully bent right here, and it was rubbing on the ground. That's crazy. Got some more M's pulling up. Those are our parts. Pretty crazy. We're gonna get some more parts right now, so to install on this guy. Got the M going. Finally got the stuff coated out, so no engine light, no ABS light. Gotta get a cable for that though. Anyways, got some work done now. We're gonna go get some food. We're gonna take this M. That's insane. Smells like tires. back there. He's lost. Anyways, just got some food. Yeah, we're just going to pick up some more parts from the guy. Following this guy on his G35, yes sir. But yeah, pretty chill stuff. Hanging out with the guys, M cars. Soon we'll be joining them. But yeah, just kind of chilling here.
You already joined them. Yours just doesn't drive.
Mine just doesn't drive.
Half the M owners don't have driving.
Oh, that's true. They have some non-drivable M cars as well, which I don't know if they have one here parked up, but we'll check it out. We'll look at it. I think he has a E90 M3 supercharged.
I'll look around the
He's got more parts for the M4. We'll just continue fixing it up, and yeah, we'll see how everything goes. Anyways, we got back. Here's the M. Yeah, we did some work, probably more work on this car today than this one. I was able to get this installed. Screen still doesn't work because I guess there's a cable that's supposed to go down to it. It didn't work, but I did get the car coated, so I got the ABS light completely coated out. No more ABS light. I don't think there was an engine light or anything like that. I think there was some stuff with the braking, but yeah, I got to start it, got to test out the crackles and the crackles and pops. I don't know if I recorded that on here. If I did, I'll put that in the video. If not, I'll get some more videos going. I think I got some on my phone. But yeah, this thing is pretty chill. I did get some more parts to it actually. I'll show you right here. We got the downpipes. I believe these are either ARM or AWE. So we're gonna install the downpipes so that it sounds better. What else did we get? Oh, and we got the carbon brace that goes on the underneath the hood. We got this as well, so I'll be able to install this later. I think it goes like somewhere right here, but the fender's still coming in, so that'll have to wait. I guess other than that, I didn't really get much parts. Once parts come in, I'm waiting for control arms, waiting for fender, waiting for parts. Once the parts come in, then I'll continue. Thanks for joining in for part 2. Hopefully part 3 will be a little more. I got some extra clips from today. This is more like a vlog instead of the typical rebuild, but I mean, it's going pretty well. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to leave a like down below. If you are new, you're welcome to join this group, this community. I know this is a start. Sorry about that, battery died. But I was saying, if you want to join this community, not only this rebuild, but anything that has to do with cars, this is what this channel is about. It's going to be more just related about cars and anything like that. Feel free to subscribe and hit that like button down below. Bell icon as well, just in case. Never miss a new video. And yeah, welcome to the journey. I'll see you guys in the next one.